Hi friends, I'm Edyta Sitar from Laundry Basket Quilts. Welcome to Quilting Window. I am so thankful we're meeting today because guess what? We are working on our Mystery 2022, our Summer Mystery 2022, and we are working on our last block. Oh, this is block number 9. Can you imagine? We have worked so hard and learned so many wonderful things. I hope you take those lessons and apply to other quilts that you're making, or maybe finally pull up those fun scraps. If you're just joining us in, don't worry, you can go ahead, go back. We have all the videos saved, all the blogs are saved. You can go to our website, click on Summer Mystery 2022 and start right with housekeeping, telling you how much fabric you need, what we have been doing, and everything that you needed. And you can still catch up and do it with us. So I hope you enjoy it. Today's fabric, I'm using the simple linen texture where I have my light background and this beautiful orange. Oh, it's gonna put that final little cute little touch to our quilt. So right there, I'm going to be cutting our pieces, and I start by cutting squares, and I'm going to cut this square in orange. And oh, by the way, remember, all the measurements are on our blog for all the pieces that you're cutting. And we have two sizes of block. We're making 6-inch blocks, or you can make 9-inch block. In the video, all the pieces that I'm showing are for the 6-inch block, but you can go ahead and get the measurements from our website, from our blog for the 9-inch blocks as well. So we're gonna cut two squares. They are the same size. They are 4 by 4, and they're light and orange. And then also we're gonna need two smaller squares. Those are 3.5 by 3.5, and there are two of them of light background fabric. We're gonna start by placing our squares right sides together. We're gonna draw a line diagonal in the middle of our square from point to point. And how did I do that? I just took my ruler like this, and I took my awesome marking pencil and I marked it, and now I have a line right there. I'm gonna pin it on a left and a right because I'm gonna make a half square triangle units, and I need two of them for one block, and we're gonna be making 4 block number 9. You only need 4 of them, so it's gonna go nice and quick. I'm gonna be stitching 1/4 inch away from that line right there on a left and on a right. As soon as I finish stitching, I'm going to go ahead and place my ruler right through the middle, and I just want to bring to your attention the exact size for this square. It should have been 3 7/8. I always make it a little bit bigger. That's why I chose to cut it 4 by 4, because I want to have room to stitch and trim. Okay, so that's why. So when you look at my measurements, I'm gonna post it there. This is the exact, but I prefer to do it a little bit bigger. And now you're gonna know why, because I'm just so picky that when I finish my half square triangles and something pushes or stretches wrong way, then I want to have that option that I can trim it, square things up, because look at it, this is my half square triangle. And now I'm gonna take my super fun 6.5-inch ruler. I'm gonna place it right over, and I can see, look at this, I can see 3.5 right there. So I have a nice amount to trim, and my unit is going to be so pretty. I really like that. And especially if you're using a best pressed or ironing, if anything shrink, you want to have enough room that you can trim, that everything looks delightful. And that's what I'm going to do, trim it on the other side now, and it's perfect. And I will repeat that for my other triangle as well, because I need 2 of them for one block. Oh, remember, make sure that when you finger press, you don't do what I just did, push it too hard. So right there, beautiful. And this tool is so nice to get those seams right nice open. So as soon as you finish, go ahead, lined up your half square triangles, and I made a bunch of them. I made 8 of them because I need it for 4 blocks and I need 2 for each block. So right there, I'm gonna go ahead and now put my other 2 pieces. Those are the light pieces, and I'm gonna go ahead and fold this right sides together, stitch, then do the other side, right sides together, stitch, and now as soon as you finish, you're gonna open it up. So right there, open it up, place both together, stitch, and you have a beautiful block that you can go ahead and enjoy it. And this is block number 9. And before you put it into the quilt, make sure you press it and place your ruler, check that it's 6.5 by 6.5. And if it is, super, you did it. I am so proud of you. But we're not done with the quilt yet. You know, I promise you another little mystery. So make sure you finish your blocks so we can finish your quilt, learn how to put your blocks together, and learn what can we do with all these fun little leftovers that we have from our quilt. I have some mystery for you, so come join us in. Thank you so much and happy quilting.